relation between variational operator delta and differential operator d by dx. Let us take the property 1. This question appeared 3 times in the examination 2017, 18 and 19. Prove that delta dy by dx is equals to d by dx of delta y. We know that dy by dx is denoted by y dash. And let us take delta, this LHS of the property. Delta dy by dx is equals to this delta as it is, dy by dx is denoted by y dash. And we know that one of the property, that is variational function, that delta y dash is nothing but h alpha dash. So let us take h as it is. Alpha dash is denoted by d alpha by dx. And this h is a constant, so we can take it as d by dx of h into alpha, because we know that derivative of a constant function is constant as it is derivative of a function. So it is equals to this LHS delta dy by dx is equals to d by dx as it is, and again from the definition of a variational function, this h alpha is denoted by delta y. So this is the proof of this property. This question is for 2 marks. Then second property, again this question is important. So it appeared in one examination 2018. If f and g are functions of x, y, y dash, then delta f plus or minus g is equals to delta f plus or minus delta g. And second property is delta f into g is equals to f delta g plus g delta f. And third one is delta f by g is equals to g delta f minus f delta g divided by g square. So this is possible only when g is not equals to 0. Let us take the this proof of first one. From the definition of a variational function, and we know that the definition of a variational function is delta f is equals to dou f by dou y into delta y plus dou f by dou y into delta y dash. So in place of f, let us take here as f plus or minus g. So delta f plus or minus g is equals to dou by dou y of f plus or minus g into delta y plus dou by dou y dash of f plus or minus g into delta y dash. So let us open this bracket. This dou f by dou y into delta y plus dou g by dou y into delta y plus dou f by dou y dash into delta y dash plus dou g by dou y dash into delta y dash. So let us separate the terms f and g here. This dou f by dou y into delta y plus dou f by dou y dash into delta y dash plus or minus dou g by dou y into delta y plus dou g by dou y dash into delta y dash. So this is again from the definition of a variational function. So this first bracket is delta f and second bracket is delta g. So it is equals to delta f plus or minus delta g. So this is the proof. And second one, this delta f into g is equals to, again here also we have to apply the definition of a variational function. It is equals to dou by dou y of f into g delta y plus dou by dou y dash f into g delta y dash. So here dou by dou y of f into g. Let us apply the product rule. So first function as it is f derivative of second function dou g by dou y plus second function g as it is derivative of first function dou f by dou y into delta y plus second bracket is also same, first function as it is derivative of second function dou g by dou y dash plus second function g as it is derivative of first function dou f by dou y dash into this delta y dash as it is. So it is equals to Let us take f common here. Here we have in two terms we have f here and here. Let us take f common and write the remaining terms. This, if you take f common here, it becomes dou g by dou y into delta y plus here dou g by dou y dash into delta y dash plus in the remaining terms let us take g common. Then it will be dou f by dou y. So here dou f by dou y into delta y plus dou f by dou y dash into delta y dash. So again this f as it is, this bracket is from the definition of a variational function. This is denoted by delta g plus this g as it is, and this bracket is denoted by delta f. So this implies delta f into g is equals to f into delta g plus g into delta f. So this is the proof of second property. And let us take third one. Dou by this dou of f by g is equals to, here also you have to apply the property of a variational function, dou by dou y of f by g into delta y plus dou by dou y dash f by g into delta y dash. So again here you have to apply quotient rule, derivative of a quotient of a function. So second function denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator divided by denominator square into delta y plus here also same thing. So this denominator g as it is, derivative of numerator dou f by dou y dash minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator dou g by dou y dash whole divided by denominator square into delta y dash. So it is equals to, let us separate the terms containing g and f. Let us take g common. So here we have dou f by dou y into delta y plus we have taken g common. So dou f by dou y dash into delta y dash. Again in these two terms we have negative sign. Let us take it as common, and f is also common in these two terms. So here dou g by dou y remains into delta y plus dou g by dou y dash into delta y dash. So again it is equals to, this is equals to, we know that this bracket is again from the definition of a variational function. This is delta f. So it is g into delta f minus this f into this bracket is delta g divided by delta square, this g square. So this implies delta f by g is equals to g into delta f minus f into delta g divided by g square. So this is like the derivative of a quotient of two functions.